What up YouTube, it's your boy Dangini once again. I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to tell you why I am not selling anything in the forex space. So yeah, the first thing is I will never text you, I will never inbox you, I will never call you asking you for money, guys, or selling you any forex related services, guys. I don't do account management, I don't sell Forex Signals, I don't sell Forex Courses, I don't do account management or mentorship, guys. None of those things, guys. So you will never find me texting you, guys. If you find one of the people that are doing these kind of things, or you find any account, any social media account that is doing this, so don't fall for those scammers, guys. Don't fall for those scammers. So yeah, the first thing is, the purpose of me on YouTube or on other social media is to motivate, guys. To motivate the people that are already in their journey, that are doing the same thing as I'm doing. And I'm also here to document my trading journey, guys. That is one of the reasons why I'm here. That's the reason why I don't offer these Forex Signals or others, etc. And I do not. Yeah, one thing I've discovered, guys, it is that I've seen majority of the people in the Forex trading industry, they are either selling Forex Signals, or they are doing account management, or they are selling courses or mentorship, guys. So they are mentoring people, guys. And the thing is, now majority of them, what I observed, they are only focused on selling or offering those classes, guys. Majority of them, they are not trading. They cannot trade. They don't trade, guys. I'm just being honest to you, guys. They are not trading. Why am I saying so? They are only getting money through the people that are subscribing to their services, guys. They don't have the passion to trade. Because when you are selling these things, guys, you end up losing focus. The main reason why you started trading was to make money from trading alone. You see where I'm getting? You are already making money from selling this, offering this forex services, guys. Why do you bother yourself trading if you are already making money? You get where I'm getting, guys. You get where I'm going with this. You will not take trading serious, because trading is hard, guys. Trading is very, very hard. I'm just telling you. I've been in the trading industry for almost 4 years now, and I'm telling you that trading is not easy. And another thing is, offering these services is unsustainable. Why am I saying so? It is because now, the more as time goes, guys, another trader offering the same services will come up, and then a lot of people, they will move from you to the trader that came into the industry, guys. You know how people work. The moment they see that, okay, the services that you are providing is not, they are not getting any value from your services, they will shift to other traders who are offering the same thing. And then when they shift, you are going to lose. And if you don't know how to lose, and if you don't know how to trade, you end up quitting because you don't know. Because the profit that you were making, you were only making it from selling or offering these services. You were not trading, guys. So yeah, guys. And the other thing, the last thing is, the moment you are offering these three things, guys, you are not going to concentrate on trading. It is going to mess you up. Why am I saying so? Because the people that are offering these services, they will be up on your neck every time they lose, guys. Every time they lose. You know most how people are. They are not ready to lose money, guys. And the moment they lose, or the moment they see that, okay, the services that you are offering, they are not 100%, they are going to mess you up. They are going to call you a scammer, guys. I don't want to be called a scammer because of this nonsense, guys. That's why I'm not bothering myself with these things, guys. So, guys, if you find any value in this video, guys, consider subscribing, liking the video, or share the video so that the video can reach other people that need this kind of information. You can also join our free Telegram group. The link is in the video description. I'll also drop in the comment section, guys. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything to be part of the group. So I drop trading signals or other trading materials in that group, guys. Make sure that you are part of the group. So, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.